Okay, fine. Let's start, guys. Yes, I think screen is okay. AB visible. Okay, fine. Yeah. In the previous session, guys, we have discussed something about some character manipulation SRFs. The first one, it was uh, the length, I guess. It was length. Second one, it was reverse. Third one that we have seen was concat. The fourth one that we have seen was substring, I believe, right? So later on, we started discussing something about instring. I mean, we have to discuss something called as instring. So we have completed what is substring. So substring, you got to discuss something about instring. Now, what is instring, guys? What is instring? I'll give you one simple question. Okay, I'll give you one simple question. So see, you're right going to display the details of the employees, only if there are like details of the employees, if their department, sorry, if their job is having man string in it, if their job is having man string in it, man string in it. Right away to display the details of the employees if their job is having man string in it. Now, can you guys tell me? Can you guys tell me how to? Sir, are you talking right now? Okay, yes, I'm talking. Yes. Okay, so guys, tell me how to solve this question. Can anybody tell me in the chat box how? Actually, can I use substring over here? Can I use substring? Like operator, everybody knows, man. We can use without like operator. I'm asking. Without like operator, can we solve this query? How? If yes, then how? Using substring can we solve? अगर substring use करना है तो position तो बताना होगा. Do we have the exact position where the man can be present? No. So definitely we cannot solve this using substring. We have to learn something called as in-string. Okay, there is a new single row function that is called as instr. What is this instr in-string? Okay, it is used. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, I'll just tell you the definition first. It is used to check. It's used to check whether it is used to check whether the given substring is present in the original substring or not. Okay, so it is used to check whether the given substring is present in the original string or not. Original string or not. So now, guys, what is the syntax? Let's understand the syntax. Okay, let us understand what is the syntax. The syntax is very simple. Okay, listen. Syntax is very simple. INSTR in the bracket. In the bracket, I have to pass original string. I have to pass what? Original string. Now you tell me what can be the second argument. Can anybody tell me what can be the second argument? Guess. Type it in the chat box. There are 256 people. Okay, there are 256 people. If 256 people can't respond, means it's difficult. Okay. If you don't want to respond, please attend the class. Please don't attend the class. Okay. Like no need to sit in the class and waste your time. Simply wasting your time. Simply wasting my time. Okay, yes. Try to answer even if it is wrong. No issues. But respond. Yes, substring. Very good. Very good, Tejas. What is the second argument? It can be substring. Because see, we are trying to check whether the given substring is present in the original string or not. Then after that, next one, there's something called as position. Not position. There is something called as I can say like there is something called as position. Yes, correct. Position itself. Then the next one is something called as occurrence. There is next one. There is something called as occurrence. Now, what is occurrence? I'll tell you about that. What is occurrence? Don't worry, I'll tell you about that. Now, as of now, see it. As of now, see it. Okay. So this is what the syntax of this in string. Now, how does it work? Okay, let us understand something about that. How does it work? But this much have you understood? Everybody? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, cool. Now see here. Now, guys, think like I want to write some query. Okay, for example, the case number one. There can be some cases, right? Definitely, if something is optional. What is optional over here? Occurrence is optional. Occurrence is optional. Now, guys, if I want to find, listen it very carefully. If I want to find, okay, if I want to search for the first case, for example, INSTR in the bracket, there can be original string, there can be substring, okay, there can be position, but there is no scale. This is case number one. This is case number one. Now, how to discuss this case? See here. Okay, for example, I'll write one text over here like banana. Okay, the original string is what? Banana. Banana is the original string. Okay, for example, I have written that over here. Now, you guys tell me how many characters this banana has. Characters. Definitely six characters. Okay, so I'll write over here like one, two, three, four, like this. Just observe. Just observe one minute. Over here, I'll write one, two, three, four, then five, then six. Okay, these all are the index. Okay, now you tell me, guys. If banana is the original string, I have to write a query like this. Select instr. Okay, then in the bracket I have to write banana. Then comma. Okay, in the single quote you have to write as it is a string. You have to write that in the single quote. After that, banana. Okay, what substring I have given, guys? Tell me. What is the substring that we all are looking for? What is the substring I have given? NA. NA is a substring. 100% correct. NA is a substring. Now, guys, listen. After that, I'm giving some position. For example, 4. For example, 4. So, what is that? What will be the output of this query? This query का output क्या होना चाहिए? I'll tell you. As you tell me, guys, what is the position? Tell me what is the position. Everybody, tell me what is the position. I want respond from everybody. Yes, tell me what is the position. I don't want output. I just tell me what is the position. 4. 4 is the position. Correct. Position is 4. 100% true, guys. Okay, what is the position? 4 is the position. Now, guys, what you have to do is you have to go to that fourth position. What you have to do? You have to go to that fourth position. You have to go to that fourth position. Now, from that fourth position, you have to start looking for what? आपको क्या ढूंढना है? सब स्ट्रिंग ढूंढना है. कौन सा सब स्ट्रिंग? NA. Now tell me, guys, is this NA? ये NA है या AN है? क्या है ये? Is it an NA? That is what my question. मेरा question क्या है? Is it an A? Yes or no? Mayur, from which angle you are able to see NA? What is yes? What is like Deepika? What is yes? Is it NA? Get your eyes checked once. Yes, so it is definitely not an A. Now you tell me. Okay, now you tell me. Is this an A? मैं एक पोजीशन आगे जाता हूँ और चेक करता हूँ. Is this an A? ये NA है क्या? Yes, everybody agrees, right? This is an A. So अगर आपको मैच मिलता है, that means you got exactly an A somewhere. You got an A somewhere. Make sure like okay, this is an A. तो आपको अगर NA इसके आगे मिला, तो कहाँ पे मिला वो? कौन से पोजीशन पे मिला है? कौन से पोजीशन पे मिला है वो? At what position you got it? Most of you are replying 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. some of them are saying 5. No, no, NA कहाँ पे मिला? 5, 6 नहीं मिलेगा definitely. At only one particular position you will find it. Paniket Ingai. Oh, okay. Some people are 3 and 5. Are you guys able to listen whatever I'm explaining? I am telling check for the position. What is the position? 4 is the position that we have written in the query. तो उसके आगे देखो, उसके पीछे मैंने देखने के लिए बोला है कि आपको have I said like check before that? No. Then why are you using your intelligence over here? Now see here, very simple. Okay. This what you have to do, as I have told you, always look for the position. Where is that position for? From there you start searching. I have told you, from there you start searching. Then why are you going back? Listen, that is why I'm telling you, if you want to listen in the class, means sit. Otherwise, without interest, don't sit. I'm not at all bothered. Now see here, very simple. You have to start from fourth position. Is it an A? No. The next, you go ahead and check. Is it an A? Yes, it is an A. So you got the first occurrence. Correct? पहला मिला आपको, an A मिला. So अगर an A मिला है आपको, तो उसकी position क्या है? जैसे कि आप लोगों ने बोला 5. What is the position? At fifth position, you got that an A. So what will be the output of this? Will be definitely 5. Let's execute and check. Select what? Select what, guys? What I have to display? Okay, so INSTR of what was the string? Like banana was a string, right? Banana. So comma. In the single quote, I'll write NA, then comma, 4, then from, dual. What is the output? Are you getting 5 as output? Understood, everybody? How does it work? Yes, now. After this, you tell me, guys. अगर मान लो कि ये क्वेरी के जगह पे if you understand or think like in at the place of this query it would have been like 2 अगर ये 2 होता तो उसका आउटपुट क्या होता पोजीशन अगर 2 होता तो आउटपुट क्या होता क्वेरी what would have been the output of this if it was true like 2 so क्या आउटपुट आता बताओ एक बार क्या आउटपुट आना चाहिए वैसे most of you are replying 3 3 3 some of you are replying 3,5 3,5 some of you are replying 3 only. Okay, most of you are replying 3. Some of you are saying 3,5. Some of you are saying 3,5. Okay. Now, guys, always remember, note. If there are, multiple occurrences, multiple occurrences, by default, the first occurrence is selected. By default, the first occurrence is considered or selected. Understanding what is the meaning of this? If there are multiple occurrences, by default, the first occurrence is selected. Now, for example, what is the meaning of this? How many, how many occurrences you will get? For example, if banana you write, if you write banana over here, see here, observe everybody. If you write banana over here, अभी क्या हो जाएगा कि यहाँ पे एक आएगा, okay? What will come over here? 1. Then after this, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Now guys, tell me, please tell me. Yes, tell me, what will happen in this case? Now see, you have to always think about this guys. क्या है पोजीशन क्या है 2 है ना तो 2 पे जाने का is go to this second index. Okay, what is that? 2. Then from here you start your searching. From here you start your searching. How many? See, is it an A? Check it. Is it an A? No, definitely no. Then check, is this an A? Yes, it is an A, correct? So you got one suggestion over here. Now again check, don't stop. See here, is it an A? No. Then again check here, is this an A? Yes, so you got multiple NAs. So how many NA you got? How many matches you found? One match you found. Understanding? Then you got one more match. So how many matches you got? How many matches you got? मैचेस मतलब क्या कि कितने मैचेस मिले आपको, कितने बार वो ऑकरेंस मिला आपको, how many times the same substring is occurred in the original string, how many times it is occurred? 2 times it has occurred. Now guys, you tell me the position, what will be the output? You can expect like the output can become, तो पोजीशन क्या है, कौन से पोजीशन पे मिला आपको, वो कौन से पोजीशन पे मिला है आपको, 3 एंड 5, तो एक तो आउटपुट 3 होना चाहिए या फिर 5 होना चाहिए, करेक्ट, दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है, करेक्ट, एक तो 3 होना चाहिए या फिर, और it should be 5. So now guys, you are in the trouble now, either 3 or 5. Okay, तो इसमें से आउटपुट हमेशा कौन सा होता है, फर्स्ट occurrence is what output, that is 3. First occurrence, that is 3. Understanding everybody? Everybody, are you able to understand this? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये? Yes or no? If you have understood means type understood. If not, then type not understood. Everyone. If you have understood means type understood so that I can understand, or I can get to know whether I have to explain it once again or not. Everybody, are you alive? Oh, it's understood. Yes. Explain one sir. Okay. Huh. I'll explain. See here. You will be having one original string. You will be given one substring. तो हमारा original string क्या है बनाना? Our string is what? NA. Now I'm searching for that NA within the original string. Substring I'm searching within the original string. So जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको match found होगा, वहाँ पे आप mark कर ले. And by default क्या हो जाएगा? अगर multiple occurrences है, तो definitely जो position है, वो मिलेगा. Okay, so always remember, if there is only one match, you will get the position of that match. That is 3. Okay, so if you have multiple matches means you'll get the first match. Is that clear? Okay, don't get confused. Yes, understood. Okay, cool. Fine. Yes, great. Now please take the photo of this. Please take the photo of this. Take the photograph, I mean like screenshot. Good question, Aniket. Good question, good question. Aniket is asking one question which nobody had actually asked. Okay, अगर substring present नहीं हुआ तो क्या? For example, if the yes, if substring is present before the position, then nothing will happen. Bhagyashri, your question is also pretty much similar. Count of substring. Okay, so you put it in the length, no, Sachin, put it in the length, you will get that. Now see here, sir, if substring, okay, now I'll tell you like two of you got this question, like what will happen if that substring जो कि NA है वो अगर बनाना में हुआ ही नहीं तो क्या होगा? That time what will happen? You only tell me guys. आपका आउटपुट क्या आएगा? 0. What will be the output guys? 0. For example, you tell me if I write something like select INSTR in the bracket, okay, like for example over here if I write banana, and if I write over here like XYZ. Now XYZ, is it present in that banana? You tell me. So what should be the output? Output should be 0. Output should be what? 0. Understanding? Is that clear? Okay. Now guys, if substring is not present in the original string, you will get 0. So I'll write over here. If this is important point, okay, try to understand this point very, very clear. Okay, read this point very, very carefully. If the substring is not present in the original string, we get 0. We get what? 0. If the substring is present in the original string, we get the position of the first occurrence. We get the position of the first occurrence. So if the substring is present in the original string, we get the position of the first occurrence. Okay, if the substring is not present in the original string, we get it as 0. Is that clear? Please take the screenshot of this as well. Later on, write it down in your notebooks. Yes. Cool. Is it done? So guys, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका फर्स्ट ऑकरेंस का 3 नहीं चाहिए आपको, you want 5 as output. See, very simple guys. I'll tell you the next situation, next scenario. Listen it very carefully. आपका इस क्वेरी का आउटपुट क्या आया? I mean, like, what will be the scenario over here? क्या आना चाहिए था वैसे? आउटपुट आना चाहिए था वैसे 3,5, करेक्ट? बट हमको मिला क्या है अभी यहाँ पे? What is the output that we all got, guys, from this particular query? What is the output that we got, guys? क्या आउटपुट मिला हमें? 3 मिला, right? So now, guys, if you want 5 as output, means what you want? You tell me. If you want 5 as output, हमें एक change करना पड़ेगा. What change? In the query, what change I have to do? See here, select instr in the bracket. Select instr in the bracket. What I have to write? Banana. Then, comma. I have to write an a, comma. What else I have to write? The next. I have to write position. Okay, from which position? From second position, I'll say. And from what? Which occurrence I want? I want second occurrence. Understanding? So this is what I need to write, guys. So what is this extra 2? What is this extra 2, guys? Tell me what is this extra 2? ये 2 क्या है यहाँ पे? I want answers from everybody. Occurrence. Some people are saying second occurrence. Correct. So that is actually occurrence, right? So it is 2. So occurrence is 2. So if the occurrence is 2, means what you are telling, I don't want that 3, I want what? 5 as output. Understanding, everybody? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? So if we specify the occurrence, we get the position of that occurrence. Is that clear? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये? Everybody understood this? Yes? Yes, okay, cool. Now you guys have to tell me the output, okay? You guys have to tell me the output of some queries. I'll tell you. Just take a screenshot of this page first. Take the screenshot of this page, please. Taken? Now, everybody needs to tell me the answer, okay? I'll give you some scenarios. Just please tell me the answer, okay? For example, the first scenario. Okay, 5 different questions are right. You have to separate the answers with comma, okay? Okay, for example, output is like 3, 2, 3, 5, like this you have to answer, okay? So, 5 different scenarios I'll tell you. You guys tell me the output, okay? Take your time. Don't do hurry. Take your time and tell me the answer. for example. Take your time. Don't reply right now. I'll tell you, reply, then only you start typing the answer. Don't type the answer right now. I've not even completed the question. Okay. So wait for some time. Five different queries I'm going to ask you. Tell me the answer accordingly. Okay. Please tell me the output, guys, for this particular uh, this particular queries. Please tell me the output. Now start typing the output by separating with the help of comma, everybody, and type it properly. I don't want any kind of bullshit answers. If you have the position, then you can write the position. But if you don't have the position, what you will do? Aniket, that is what the answer for your question. Yes. Please write down, okay, the answers of all these queries, everybody. Type the answers properly is what I have said, Darshan. So type it properly. One more I'll give, चलो. One more I'll give. और एक देता हूँ मैं आपको. Just give me a minute. Okay, just. Please tell me the answers, everybody. By looking at your answers, no, somebody will get heart attack. Yeah. Okay. So only these many people have respond. I mean, only these many people knows the answer or interested in session. Others are not interested. The others are not interested, right? Okay. You come for the requirements, I'll tell you. Then you will respond. Right now, you will not respond. Okay, fine. Let's see what is output. So for the first query, what will be the output? See here, you are searching for a dollar. You are searching for dollar. Where your search has to start from first. So first say shuru hoga. Is it a dollar? No, it is not a dollar. Then second one, is it a dollar? Yes. So this is the first occurrence, guys. Let me consider this query. Okay, this is the first occurrence. So position is first. So one. From here you will start searching for the fourth dollar. One, two, three, four. कहाँ पे है $4? $4 है कहाँ पे अभी? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is present at what position? 8. So what should be the output of the first one? Yes. Okay. What is the answer? 8. For first question, why 8 is the answer? Because you are trying to search for dollar where in the original string. If it is found, from where you have to start searching from the first one. First, is it a dollar? Is it a dollar? Is it a dollar? Yes, it is a dollar. But it is second occurrence. Then is it a dollar? Yes, third occurrence. Is it a dollar? Then yes, fourth occurrence. Output of the first query it has to be what? 8, guys. What should be the output? 8. I'll execute and I'll show you what will be the output of this query. Copy this and I will execute. See, are you getting 8 as answer? Yes, correct. The next question. You're searching for hash. Hash, is it present anywhere? No. So output will be what? 0. So if substring is not present in the original string, the output will be 0. Okay, select an str. So over here, like dollar, dollar कहाँ पे आएगा? 9 पे आएगा. Just 1 minute. Yes, you tell me what is the answer of this. See, first of all, you tell me this dollar, you have to start searching from which position? You have to start searching from which position? Yes, which position it is? From which position you will start searching for the substring in the original string? I'm asking it for everybody. Am I audible? Am I audible? Respond properly. Am I audible? Yes, so what should be the... Yes, okay, yeah, cool. So yeah, tell me guys. Dollar I need to search. Dollar, if you search, ninth position, what is the thing? 9 is present. So 9 के बाद में dollar आ रहा है. But which dollar you want? Is it a second occurrence? Tell me guys, is it a second occurrence of dollar? No. So right now you got that. It is present. इसके बाद में तो present है. 9 के बाद immediately present है वो. But that doesn't mean the output will be 10. Okay, that doesn't mean the output will be 10. So what will be the output? 0. What will be the output? 0. Yes. Is that clear? Yes. The next $3, 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. So it will start from 2. It starts from second position, correct? Everybody listen carefully. See, what we are actually looking for? We are looking for $3. We are looking for $3. $3 where it is present. First you have to check. Right from the second you have to start searching. So is it $3? So is it $3? No. Then you have to check. Is it $3? Yes, it is $3. And which occurrence you want? You want the first, second, which one? You want first one. So what is the output? What should be the output of this query? It will be 3. Understanding? It will be what? 3. Because the third position is present. Correct? Is the next one. Dollar 1 comma 4. Yeah, tell me. Dollar 1 comma 4. What is output? There are multiple dollars, right? Yes. Now tell me. What is the output of this query? This query, as I have told you, it will be what? 3. This next query. I want the answers from everybody. Again, people are replying 8. Let's see. Research for $1. 1. Okay, so first dollar. 4 people. Yeah, tell me the output. Yes, from 1, I have to start searching. Fourth dollar I want. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is output? It should be 8, guys. What it should be? 8. Let's execute and check. Output, it has to be what? 8. Copy this and execute. See here, you'll get the output as 8. I hope you have understood that, yes? Okay, then next, let's go for the next one. This one. So dollar five. Dollar five. Okay, I have to start searching from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here, is it dollar five? No. Then is it dollar five? No. Is it dollar five? No. So here you don't have to come. Okay, only that much. Okay, from 6 you need to start and you need to close it over here. Okay, so what will be the output? Is it there? No. So what will be the output? 0. So yeah, tell me, what is the final output? 8 comma 0 comma 0 comma 3 comma 8 comma 0. People whoever has answered this, okay, those are correct. Anybody who has typed the same answer? And anybody who has doubts, let me know. Okay, yes. I hope that is understood. Yeah, cool. So that is all about your instant rates. This is the final output. Okay, cool. Please take the screenshot of this. Is it done, everybody? Is it done? Understood? Please take the screenshot taken. Yeah, cool. Now let's go for the next function, guys. So in string, only that much. Okay. In string में सिर्फ यही होता है. So that is all about in string. So I will solve the question now. Which you have given? Like write a query to display the name and job. Name and job of the employees who are name and job of the employees who are working as manager, who are working as manager. Okay, who are working or whose job has string man in it. So what to do? Select ename, comma, job from emp. Okay, then where instr of job, comma, what I should write? 1, comma, 1. Okay, sorry. Job, comma, man, comma, 1, comma, 1. It should be equal to man. Understanding what is the meaning of this query, let's learn this query, guys. Let us learn this query. I won't be repeating, so everybody carefully listen to this query. How this query works. अगर मान लो कि आपके पास e-name वगैरह है column, okay, you have a column called as e-name, okay, and you have a column called as job over here. Okay, you have a column called as job over here. Okay, so we will start writing the columns, I mean like e-name and job. Okay, then after this, e-name में कुछ names है Alan, Miller, Jones, Scott, system not system Scott or James. Okay. Now see, okay, for example, some jobs I'll take. Let's assume manager, then clerk. तो अभी क्या होगा salesman I'll take over here. Salesman. Then over here I'll take uh, president. Over here I'll take something like man or salesman or salesman I'll consider salesman. Now you tell me guys, what will be the output of this query? Very simple. How does it work? In string of, take the first example. What is that? In string of manager. Manager, comma, 1, comma, 1. Tell me what you think will be the output of this. इसका output क्या आएगा? क्या आना चाहिए वैसे? Yeah, everybody. I want answers from everybody. सिर्फ इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? INSTR job, comma, man, comma, 1, comma, 1. अबे यार, I'm telling you the answer. Like I want the answer. Okay, of this like comma man. Okay, तो इसका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? People are replying 1. Okay, now definitely. So 1A, is it greater than 1? So see, very simple. You actually don't have to compare that with this one. Okay, you don't have to compare that with man. ऐसी कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. You have to just make sure that it is coming greater than 1. Correct? You have to just make sure that it is coming greater than 1. वो greater than 1 से आ रहा है या नहीं, उतना ही check करना है. Correct? So you guys need to check that only. If it is greater than 1, yes, of course, it has man, right? So can I write like this? This one, is it greater than 1? Definitely it is greater than 1, right? 1 greater than or equal to 1. Or you can write like greater than 0. I'll write like this, greater than 0. So 1, is it greater than 0? Yes, 1 is greater than 0. Yes, you'll get that. Now, think about the second one. Think about the second one. Clerk, in string of clerk. In string of clerk, comma man, comma 1. Is it there first of all? So what output you should get? You should get 0. You should get what? 0. Okay, then next. Salesman. Okay, now tell me what about salesman? Salesman do have man. Salesman may be man present. So you'll get it as what? What will be the output of in string of salesman, comma man, comma 1, comma 1? It will be like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 will be the 6. Is it greater than 0? Yes. So definitely you will get that output. But president के बारे में क्या मिलेगा? 0. 0, is it greater than 0? No. So that time, definitely you will get the answer. So likewise it will work. Everybody, are you able to understand this? Are you able to understand this query? Yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. Please take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot of this. Okay, taken. Everybody cool? Yes, no. Okay, after this, let's understand the next SRF. So I hope you have understood what is in string. So let's go for the next one. That is something called as replace, which is the last SRF. So replace is what? Okay, replace is also a single row function. Okay, so I'll write over here. It is used to replace. It is used to replace. It is used to replace the original string with a new string, original string with a new string. Now, for example, what query I can write? Okay, what is the syntax? See here, what is the syntax? Syntax is very simple. Replace of original string, replace of original string, comma, Original string, comma, substring. Original string, comma, substring. Then comma. Okay, then comma. What else? New string. But new string is optional. But new string is optional. So this is a syntax. Okay. Now guys, tell me how to solve this. So for example, guys, if I write a team, okay, if I type write a team like this. For example, if I write like Mumbai Super Kings like that. Now, is there any team like that? No, there is no team like this, right? So what if I like what changes I need to make? For example, okay, if I want to check Mumbai's team, so what I have to do? What changes I have to take? What changes I should do? What I should replace with what? If I want to see Mumbai Indians as a team, which changes I have to do in this name? Replace what with what? Yes. कुछ लोग यहाँ पे पी के बैठे हैं. Some people are drunk here, I guess. They're not able to understand my question, I guess. Some different ultimate level answer here they are giving. Okay, very simple. Mumbai Super Kings is what the original string which I have taken. This is my original string. Now, what I have to change, then this will become Mumbai Indians. I have to replace this Super Kings with what? Indians. Replace the Super Kings with Indians. So you know how to replace. So see here, select replace of in the bracket the original string. What is that? Mumbai Super Kings. Spaces allowed, no issues. Mumbai Super Kings, then comma. What I have to replace? Super Kings. Write that over here. With what you should replace, comma? Indians. What? Indians. Okay, then after this from dual table, you have to display this. So from this one, you can change it. For example, I'll write over here. From this, you want to change it to Mumbai Indians. Okay, so this if you want to change means what I should do. The original string I have to write, then the substring that you want to replace, and the new string. Then from dual. अगर आपको space चाहिए, अगर आपको space चाहिए यहाँ पे तो space दे सकते हो आप. Okay, I mean like not here, but to give it over here. Okay, so execute this, you'll get the output. देखो एक बार. Are you getting Mumbai Indians as output? Everybody, check it. Is it working? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, cool. That is working, it means. Okay, so let's see after this what I should do. For example, if you want that Mumbai Super Kings to be replaced with only Mumbai. Okay, आपको वो Indians भी नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे. तो what you will do now? Okay, see, if you just want that team to be like instead of Mumbai Indians only Mumbai you want. So what you will do now? What query you will be writing? You'll be writing similar kind of query. Okay, for example, what you will write over here? 1 minute. Okay, so for example, from Mumbai Super Kings, if I want to change it to Mumbai, so what I should do? Either I should give it as like single quote, nothing in between. सिर्फ क्या करना है आपको सिंगल कोट में देना है वैल्यू यहाँ पे, or else don't pass the third argument, or else don't pass the third argument at all. Are you guys understanding these queries? Understanding everybody? So it's like replacing it with nothing. So Mumbai Super Kings, it will become what? Only Mumbai, right? So let's execute and check. If I replace that Indians with nothing, it will just become as what? Execute. See, it is giving what? Mumbai. Everybody understood these queries? Both the queries? Please take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot. Taken the screenshot, everybody? Screenshot ले लिया सबने? Fine then, yes, cool. Now, there are only two functions which are remaining. One is null value logic and one is conversion. Okay, that we will cover tomorrow and we will solve the questions also. Okay, so tomorrow, a singular function, it will be over. Okay, and immediately we will start with statements. Okay, so tomorrow's session, you guys can attend it for the first half hour. Everybody needs to attend. First half hour session, everybody needs to attend tomorrow. Okay, everybody is supposed to attend this session tomorrow. First half part, okay, or first half hour, I can say. Okay, then after that, I'll be starting with a new topic called as statements. Okay, now people who are not done with SQL, I mean, like people who are just started with SQL, people who are just started with the skill, you guys don't attend this batch. Anybody else who is done with SQL, you guys are like done with before statement, I mean, done with the statements such as joins and all, you guys have to attend this. Okay, statement जिन जिन का हुआ नहीं है वो attend कर सकते हो, except for one batch, that is WCD M14. Only WCD M14 will attend tomorrow's session for half hour. Others will be attending fully. Okay, understood, right, everybody? Understood? Clear enough? Guys, you actually don't even have to open your mouth. Okay, you just need to type. If I'm asking something, respond. Have you understood? Yes, cool. Yes, yes, yes. Only WCD M14 people will not attend this. Okay, I'll tell you in the class. I'll tell you that time only WCD M14 people needs to exit. Okay, otherwise everybody else has to attend. Fine then, yes. So right now you guys can go for your Java class. No issues. You guys can leave the session. If there is Mumbai, then which okay, huh? If there is Mumbai like that, then what will happen? Nothing will be coming. For example, see here, if I write like this, original string is also that, substring is also that. Then what will happen? Nothing. What everything will be replaced with null itself. See here. What is the output that we are getting? Nothing. Nothing we are getting. Okay, yes. With new substring you want to replace, you can replace. No issue. Just pass third argument. That's it. Fine, then yes, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, there are some questions. Yes. Yeah, let me see the question. So if there is okay in a string more than one occurrence, then all those will be replaced, Mahesh. Yes, if there are more than one occurrences in the original string, means all those will be changed. Before replace the query, you want me to execute? I'll execute that query, whichever they are. Select instr of sorry, select ename or whatever it is. Select star from emp where instr of in the bracket what was that job comma man comma 1 it's greater than 0 see you're getting all their names. So we are getting all salesmen as well as managers. So definitely, yes, it will work. What do you say about WCDM14? कुछ नहीं, आप कान में हेडफोन डाल के गाने सुनो. ओके, जब बोलता हूँ तब आप सुनते नहीं हो मोहम्मद. Okay, fine this. Yes, you guys can exit.